Let's take a look at the Geotag feature in the Tramex Meters app. All of the 5 series meters connect to our Tramex Meters app, where you can take photos and geotag them to add to your data collection and reports. So now when I'm going to go take a reading, I want to make sure that the Tramex Meters app is open on my phone. We see it's looking for devices, so I turn on the meter, turn on the Bluetooth here, and you see now I'm connected. So I'm going to choose my meter there, and now I'm getting the readings in the app that are on the meter. So now when I go to take a reading here, I'm going to hit the pause button. What that does is it holds my reading for the photo. So now when I go back to the app and I choose the photo option, I can go in and take a picture to geotag. I'm going to use that photo and it'll ask me if I want to geotag it. So I'm going to say yes, I want to geotag and save all my readings here. So when I hit save, it's going to ask me where I want to save it. I'm just going to go to save the image and it'll go to my photo library. Therefore, I can access it easily to add to a report and have my readings geotagged to show exactly where, when, and what the reading was. Now, it's very important to remember to press the pause before you take the picture when geotagging. And the reason is, I'll show you here. So if we go to geotag a reading like this and we take a picture, now you can see here, if I select to use the photo, because I'm not taking a reading anymore, my reading has changed on the screen, and you see it's also changed in this picture, and it'll continue to change. So you see it went to 0 there. So that's what happens if you don't hit pause, is that if I say now geotag, it's not matching the reading on the screen. So that's why you want to make sure you hit the pause button and that your reading listed here will match the reading in the picture. So you can geotag pictures with all of the 5 series meters. They all have the pause button located in the same place. Just make sure you pause that reading before you take the picture, and you'll be able to document your readings and protect yourself and your data in the long run.